Hey, all, just a quick little commercial for the session that I'm going to do at the Christa McAuliffe Technology Conference this year. It's called Wilderness Technology, Experiential / Manufacturing Technology, Learning in Action. What is that all about? What is wilderness technology? Basically, it's a class where the kids learn about being out in the wilderness. They learn some survival skills. They learn manufacturing process and problem solving while they build enough canoes for one canoe per student. They build these canoes out of a combination of graphite, fiberglass, and Kevlar, and then the woodwork is all done in either cherry or ash or a combination of the two. When they finish their canoes, they get to go on a multi-day trip on the Connecticut River in those canoes. They plan and execute the entire trip. And at the end of the trip, if they still want to canoe, they get to purchase the canoe for the price of the materials. So they're getting a canoe that the manufacturer's suggested retail price on these things is about $1,500, and they're getting them for about $350, including a new paddle. They have a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun, and we get to really see some manufacturing in action as we learn about the process of building a canoe. Hope to see you there.